This video just teaches you how to use Zealy, from how to connect your wallet to how to connect your Discord account and all that. So firstly, you have to go to your Kiwi browser or any browser you are using and paste your Zealy link. So I already copied the Zealy link and I'm going to paste it in my Kiwi browser. Open a fresh link and paste the link. So when it's done loading, it's going to show you to accept invitation. It means somebody gave you their invite link for you to join. So you just click on accept invitation. When it's accepted, you're going to see different quests that you can do to get Zealy points. The Zealy points are going to be shown below here. I'm in level 1 and I have 0 points and 0 XP. So all you have to do is just be doing the quests, either general or sprints. So most times generals are all the tasks in the quest, while sprints are sometimes done weekly, monthly, depending on the project and what they decide. So let's go over to general. So for general, these are all the quests available, ranging from inviting your friends to getting the coin to spreading the lunch and everything. You also have sprint quests, which has selective quests of what the project wants you to do for that particular week. So let's go over to connecting your accounts. Go to zealy.io here, the first one above. When you've clicked on it, you see login and you see these 3 dots. So you can use these 3 dots to create an account. Once you click on create an account, you see continue with Discord and continue with wallet connect. So you have to make sure on your Kiwi browser your MetaMask wallet extension is installed, and mine is installed here. So you can choose to connect your Discord account. Make sure your Discord account is also logged into your Kiwi browser. So I set a 2-factor authentication to my Discord account, and my Discord account is already showing because it's logged onto my Kiwi browser. So you just have to click on authorize. Once it's authorized, it's going to take you to the Zealy page where you can log in and all. So you can go to account settings once you've logged in your Discord account. Now if you want to link your account, you just have to click these 3 dots by the corner of edit your profile. Let me show you how I got there again. Click on the 3 dots here, go to account settings, and you'll see 3 dots by the top corner. So click on linked accounts. I've already linked my Discord account firstly. Now these are all my connected accounts. This is my wallet address. This is my email. You have to connect your email. You have to connect your Discord account. Make sure you display it so that other people can see it. You have to connect your Twitter account. Now my Twitter account is lost, so I have to disconnect this and connect another Twitter account, which is going to authorize for me. You also have to connect your Ethereum wallet. It's not really necessary that it's displayed, but it depends on your choice. Now if you want to see Zealy products that you've joined, you go to my communities. That will show you where all the Zealy quests you've joined are. Me, I have joined Eldarun, I've joined Website, I've joined Ants Republic, AOF, Champions Tactics, and many more Zealy quests. The website that we joined before, I'll click on it, and I want to show you how to do a quest. And also invite friends. You can invite friends with this button here. Click on it and it's going to copy your invite link for you. Invite link copied. So doing the quest, you just have to click on, if the quest is locked like this, it means it's not open and you have to complete some other quests before it's going to open. So let's go to follow the movement. You have to follow website. Just click on follow. It's going to redirect you to Twitter. That's why your Twitter account has to be logged into your Kiwi browser. And once you follow the project, you go back there and click on claim reward. If it doesn't claim reward, it means you either didn't follow the project or your Twitter account is not connected. 10 XP here. Look, quest claimed because I followed the account and it gave me my 10 XP. So the leaderboard is where you see the XPs people have. So currently for website, this is the XP people have for all the sprint stats for general sprints. You can also check for the current sprint, the number of XP people have. So these people are giving rewards for 1st to 5th on the Zealy board. So currently I have 100 XP. You can click on it to see it clearly. I have 110 XP. You need to get 100 XP before you get to level 2. So I can choose to do sprint or quest, but I advise if you see sprints, just do the sprint because that's what the community is counting. I hope you understand everything. If you have any questions, you can always ask. Thank you.